Welcome back to BudgetTravelerChris.com. We're on the road that leads into the back of El Caloso as you come into the back of Puerto Vallarta from the Libramiento. And there's a beautiful little valley here where the drainage culvert runs into. And see the concrete culvert there that directs the water there. There's a lot of rainwater runoff between May and September. And I've just discovered this road that leads us into a back way up to the Mirador de la Cruz. So this is where we're coming out, in the back of El Caloso, right by the busy Libramiento, and it's even got the sign Colonia Caloso and a bus stop there. And this is the road that I've discovered that looks like it'll take me up to the back of the Mirador. And I think the tunnel is just right there. I believe the tunnel, yeah, is probably about only a kilometer or so. So we're gonna go up here. Here's the sign for it. It says Zona Centro and Terra Noble, whatever that is. So we're gonna go up here and check it out. But I believe this is the back way up to the Mirador. And the Mexican lady said it was only about to be about a 10-minute walk. So stay tuned for this walk with Budget Traveler Chris. And here's a view over to my left here, looking into Zona Romantica there. You might recognize some of the buildings there from this view. And I've seen this big white building up there. It's a big apartment or something. I've seen that from the Mirador, looking this way. So, but this will definitely be my first time coming up the road the back way. We've climbed up Nick's place from the back way, but this is definitely, look at that lush jungle up there. Wow, you can see the massive palm and banana trees up there. Wow. I'm gonna go hiking and exploring up in those mountains next year, maybe when I have more time. But this is quite the stretch of building here. It's pretty fancy. Oh, this road looks like it's going to be a good climb. Might even want to turn off the recorder here and really start hiking here. Or maybe this is a trail up here. This could be the trail right here, folks. To our left, I see a trail. Well, that says it's private property there, and it's not for sale. And just so everyone can look this up on your Google Maps, this is the Colonia del Cerro, and it's the Calle Prolongación. And I don't know how to pronounce that word. My Espanol is muy poquito, and I need muchos practico. So, see why you got to pay attention to where you walk. If you're not looking down, you're gonna break your leg falling into there. And you know what? There's absolutely no warning. That's just a hole in the ground. In Canada or the United States, they'd have metal plate over it, or big yellow tape around it, or a barricade built around it or something. But oh, look at these buildings. They're absolutely all brand new and empty and all for rent. All brand new and empty completely. Wow. And there comes a cop down the road here. We got the cops driving around the city everywhere they go. Well, this is turning into a bit of a hike here. Yeah, it's definitely a steep road here. And getting some good exercise today, folks. Looks like they're doing some new construction there as well. Probably gonna keep building it. And it looks like that's where the tunnel starts, right here, I believe. See some bedrock here. So yeah, that's folks where the tunnel begins there. You can see they carve into bedrock right there. And that's the highway. Libramiento is below that. So maybe we'll get a view from it a little further up here. You see they just trimmed this tree down here. Well, we're going to continue this climb here. Fairly steep. Right around the middle of the day too, so it's about as hot as it gets right now. But very interesting. I've always wondered what was at the back of the Mirador. So today we're going to find out. And there's that bedrock where they carved the opening of the tunnel into there for the Libramiento, I mean. Well, there's a look back at the beautiful valley, and look how high we've climbed up here. This road is a fairly steep road for anybody that wants to come up here. Make sure you're ready for a steep hike. I'm breaking a sweat, and that's what it looks behind me. We're like almost at the top here. I can see the crest of the hill behind me, so hang in there, folks. There we go. I believe we're at the crest of the hill now. At least it appears we are. So here we are, officially at the crest of the hill behind the Mirador de la Cruz. Oh, and there's the road that probably goes up to that fancy restaurant. I was always wondering how to get up there. That's Lirios Road. So I believe Lirios Road, we'll have to go check that out another day. Lirios Road, I think, goes to that really fancy restaurant there. Well, there's the Mirador de la Cruz over there. So I think we're going to find a way to get to it from over here. Not sure how. But let's walk down this road and see where we end up.
3, 2, 1, go!
Disminua su velocidad. Reduce your speed. Oh yeah, look how steep that is going down. That's very steep going down there. Yeah, I've never seen those roads down there before. Oh, there's the Mirador over there. So we've actually walked around it, I think, a little bit here. The Mirador. Well, we're gonna find out after we get past this monstrosity of a apartamento here. It's a big one. Big apartment with a beautiful view. Boy, oh boy, this is like right at the top of the Mirador. These guys must have the best views in the city. Right at the very top of the Mirador. Wow. Condos for sale down there. Yeah, I wonder how much they are. Let's go down there and check out these condos for sale. See how much they're worth. Oh, there's a courtyard there. Looks like they're building some new stuff still. These are fancy condos overlooking the entire city of Puerto Vallarta. Look at the view from here. Holy moly. This is a prize-winning view here. Yeah. Look at this prize-winning view. Holy mackerel. You gotta love this view. Yeah, this is a prize-winning view that I've seen the entire trip. This wins the cake, this view. Wow, look at that view. A little hazy way out there today, but not a cloud in the sky, but look at this. We're overlooking Puerto Vallarta. Let's zoom in and see kind of where we're looking at here. You can recognize anything down there. Make a comment if you recognize any buildings or what area I'm zooming in on, but I'm gonna guess it's Cinco de Sembre, maybe there. Could be Versailles, but anyhow, never know where we're gonna be or who we're gonna see on budgettravelerchris.com. So stay tuned to more new and exciting videos from Puerto Vallarta. Take care, everyone.